What is your favorite place to sit when you are out on your RV adventure? You're going to get them all in the 2025 Windsport 35R. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. Wonderful floor plan, coming in at 37 feet long, seat belts for 9, and sleeping just about anywhere you want, from the dinette to the sofa to the over-the-cab bunk, or maybe catch a nap in the theater seats. I'm a big theater seat guy. Absolutely love this, but I don't want to leave out 2 other places to sit. So you do have a power adjustable driver's seat when you're dialing the ride for that beastly 7.3 liter V8. Great dash setup, all the controls you need, cruise control, Sirius XM satellite radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, everything you need there. Flip out dash workstation as well, so you have that. This chair spins around, pedestal table goes here, so now the living room is massive, especially when you have this full wall slide out. Your dinette and sofa are on a slide, so absolutely huge inside of here. Not to mention you have 84 inches of headroom. Love it in here, right? Smart TV. You also have the Winegard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. You can connect to all of your favorite carriers, and now you can stream to the smart TV, to your phones, to your tablet, whatever it is you need, you can get everything done. Also, more lights. Let's turn on all the lights so you can see the cup holders on the shelf. Seatbelts here for the ride. Again, seatbelts for 9 in here. Seatbelts in the theater seats. It's pretty cool. If you can ride, I mean, if it doesn't bother you riding this way while you're going down the road, awesome place to just hang out. More seatbelts in the dinette. You also have some storage down below. You have a wireless charger up above. Plenty of cabinets in here, from 3 over here, 3 over the theater seats, and look at that. 3 more. Good things come in 3s, don't they? 3 more over the kitchen, 3 drawers down below, even a 3-burner gas cooktop. Pretty coincidental, wouldn't you say? Pull down sprayer on your sink. I love having this roll out sink cover there. Oven. You got it. A lot of people love the oven. You're going to get one in your 35R. You also have a very large microwave and an extremely large residential fridge and freezer. Freezer here, fridge right there. You can take and load up everything you need, all the goodies. Hey, remember, you have all those seat belts in here. Everybody's going to want to bring their favorites, right? And everybody's going to use the bathroom at some point. It can handle it. Very large bathroom. We got a little graphic down below. Those are your tank sizes right there. So plenty of space in those tanks for when you gotta get the business done. Nice shower, tankless hot water, large medicine cabinet, great setup in here, and everything is controlled through Rapid Cam Plus. From your lights to your slides, your electric, your generator start, everything you need right from here, or connect to the mobile app. Washer and dryer prep right in here. So if you want to use this as a large closet, you can, or just go ahead and toss a stackable washer and dryer in there. 2 13,500 BTU AC units. You have one up front. You also have one in the bedroom. So when you close the door and kind of cordon that area off, everybody's going to have their own space and you can stay nice and comfortable. King size bed, plenty of storage up above, very large nightstands. Kick back, watch the smart TV in the bedroom. Maybe you still have some Blockbuster DVDs. You could keep those in here and wire in a DVD player and watch all your Blockbuster. Have you seen Jumanji? Large dresser top, USB ports. You have some 110s right there, large closet in here. So this is going to be the pedestal table that goes in between the passenger and driver's seat. The ladder for your over-the-cab bunk, very large hanging space back here. Another door right back there. It's everything you need. This is how you travel in great, gorgeous Class A RVs. But we're not done yet. You know what? Everybody needs to bring things, right? I know you thought you're going to wrap it up. No, I want to bring you along on the entire journey. We got to talk about the exterior here because everybody can pack it in. So we're going to have storage bays all along the bottom from front to back. This is going to give you a little bit of pass-through right here. Look at this. Pass through to the other side, and you can throw some of your longer items in here. Maybe it is going to be a golf bag, whatever it is. These are all rotocast material. Drain plug inside. Each bay has its own light. Rotocast is awesome because it's not going to mold, it's not going to mildew, it's not going to stink. And those storage bays run all the way down. Smart TV outside. Power patio awning up above. You have LED lights, which is great. So at night, it's a great night light for your campground. 110s right here. 22.5-inch tires. Yes, big boys right there. Don't forget, you need to be plugged into that 50 amp shore power or have your generator on. Frameless windows, another storage bay, which you could keep in the grill or the griddle. You have an exterior propane connection right there. You can plug that in, more storage, and then you have a ladder up back, more storage on the other side, as well as your wet bay. Real easy to set up, great way to travel. This is the way you do it. It is the brand new Windsport. You can build your own right now and get that MSRP at thormotorcoach.com.